Hi everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I got my first box for July. It's the Goddess Provisions. So let's see what this is about. I just used the razor to untape it. It's our usual small box. And this is what it looks like. Our theme is rising with the sun and resting with the moon. Pretty interesting. Rising with the sun and resting with the moon. So the first thing in the box is this guy. And it says Chiqui Botanica Cruz Azul Brightening Toner. Brightening toner. Then I see we have this rough stone just lingering in the box. It's pretty. It looks like it's a mica. Not sure what it is. Ah, and there's another one. This guy, don't know what it is either. Another rough stone. Then we have this cute thing. What is this? Cute little sun and the moon tin with clouds and flowers and mushrooms. All right, I don't know what this is. It's sealed. It is sealed. I need a little razor to help open it. Where will the tin? Hopefully that does it. Oh, and you can see it better. It's really cute. It is a little pillow, I think. It's full of something, like herbs. And it's a cute little tin. And this guy came out of it. So we're going to find out what this little guy is for in the tin. What else we got in here? We have... this black little sachet. It's like a cotton, maybe? And in here we have 3 black and purple circle material items. I'm not sure what they're for yet. There's nothing in here that says what it is. And then we got this Sacred Smoke Rope Incense, sandalwood, holy basil, and cardamom. 25 incense ropes and holder. Ooh. I never had ropes with holder, so let's see what this is about. I mean, we've gotten rope incense before, but never with, like, a holder. And never, like, this cute little box. And it's like a cottony feel box. And it's got a tab here. Up. So you just undo it like this. And in there we got this information. And we got the incense, and it has the holder. And I guess I'll show you how to use it. Well, they smell good. And I like the cute little case. So that's cute. And, there's one more item. My legs. My legs. Alright, the last item is this here, and it says from Sew the Magic, Zodiac Insight Volvive? Volvelli? Volvelli. I don't know what that means. I know who Sew the Magic is. They're an awesome company. I love their products. Obviously, it was collabed with for them personally here because it's got its provisions on it. So let's see what this is. Okay. Where can I open this? Oh my goodness. All right. So in this, there is a Zodiac wheel. It's pretty cool. And you can turn it and learn different things. So that was in there. All right, let's see what this is about. Morning and evening rituals. First thing is, this is Celestial Dream Pillow and Tin. So you get your tin, and this is a dream pillow. Your dream pillow is a value of $19. Experience the captivating duality of day and night in this tin with dark, moody hues paired with vibrant burst of color. Discover a dream pillow filled with harmonious blended lemon balm, rosemary, mugwort, and hops, promoting stress relief, deep sleep, lucid dreaming, and peacefulness. I'm trying this tonight, putting that in my pillow. Then the Shiki Botanica brightening toner here is a value of, believe it or not, it says $36 for this little thing. $36. Tightening tone and refresh your skin with this revitalizing facial toner. Lavender, eucalyptus, butterfly, pea blossoms work together to balance, tone, boost, hydrate, and reduce redness. Then this reusable cotton cleansing bags. Your makeup routine with these 3 machine washable black makeup rounds, elegantly finished with purple edges. Conveniently store and launder in the included mesh bag. $9 value. Then we have the Sew the Magic Zodiac Insight. This is a value of $11. Unlock the secrets of the cosmos with this ingenious tool that combines the phases of the moon and the wisdom of the zodiac. Ooh. To provide guidance, simply rotate the wheel to align the current moon phase and discover insights. And then we got this. It says Stupa Incense Sacred Smoke Rope Incense, value of $18. Invite sacred ambiance and spiritual serenity into your space. 25 handcrafted incense ropes, and it says from sandalwood, holy basil, and cardamom. Bonus includes a custom evil eye incense holder. And then this is fuchsite, which is gorgeous, $7. And this says lemon dendrite for $7. So that is July's box. What do you think, guys? I think it's a pretty cool box, but not one of my favorites, honestly. The thing I like the most, I guess, out of this box would be the Dream Pillow. Everything else is just, you know. Let me know, guys, what you think. I'll leave the information about this box below. Thank you guys for watching.